Hello everyone, I'm Jen. Today I will show you how to operate our KD-CCD precision die cutting machine. The screen is for adjusting the pushing parameters. This is the camera. This is the software for the camera. First, we need to ensure there are small holes on both sides of the material. We call these small holes mark points. Second, this is our mold, which is special in that it has two U-shaped gaps. These two U-shaped gaps is designed to allow the camera to capture images of the small holes in the material. We need to move the camera back at first so that the light source shines through the U-shaped gap onto the mark points. Then, we need to use software to set mark points. First, select the mark point, then perform a global search, and then click Calibrate. The camera settings are now adjusted. Finally, set the fitting space in the control panel, then click the Run button. The above are the simple operation steps of KD-CCD precision die cutting machine. If you have another questions, welcome to leave a message in the comment section for consultation.